I came out to fish with Jason today. It's Saturday. That's behind me. The winds are much higher than they were when we left. So we're gonna try another place. It'll be miserable. It'll be absolutely miserable. Even if it is safe, which we could get up in those trees and there wouldn't be a lot of waves. I mean, you just throw your line and it's gonna end up in the weeds because it's a creek up there. So real bummer. All right, it's just too windy to go out in the water, so we're just fish banking this little bank right here. Just too windy. It's 18-20 mile per hour winds, so we'll see what happens here. Pop the cork out, shrimp on it, see what happens. Just definitely not the best day. The wind really picked up. All right, I came back up to the launch, which is right there. Get this corner, let that cork just float right down around the corner. Let's see what happens. We moved spots. We were down there. Up here, a little bit more room. Windy. I just had a fish, took my line, broke my line. All right, Jason's got something. Catfish. First fish of the day, right there. Catfish number 2. I think I got a cat here. Look at the size of this catfish. Are you kidding me, dude? That is the smallest catfish. I think that's the smallest fish I ever caught. Yep, another catfish. Here. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. Look out here. Where is he? Feels bigger. This doesn't feel like a... Oh, it's a big cat. All right, unfortunately, it wasn't the best day for fishing. We are leaving. All we caught were catfish. All right, no problem. We got it. Let's get out of here. Take a right. I've always wanted to look at this landing down here. See what's down here. Okay. Oh shoot, dude. Yeah, we aren't doing that. No, I don't think so. I probably can. I probably can. But I'm not interested in that. That's salt water. This probably has some salt water in it. I'm not doing that. I just don't want to go through that. Dude, this whole road got flooded when that water came up. Oh my God. It all got flooded. The entire road is flooded. There's some deeper holes. Holy crap! Oh my God! I didn't expect that. Got more flooding up here.